got this new mount. I can't show you the front because it has my address, but here you go. So, what is this coming with? Oh yeah, use your grip on that. That's some super duper stuff right there. And then we got this part, which it always, I'll get to that. So let's see how this is going to go. Alright. So we got that piece. For this. And then so that's pretty robust. And we can tighten it here. So pretty straightforward. I think we'll do, for demonstration purposes, put it up here. So for example, that's not going anywhere. And you can obviously go like such.